Good day, everyone. I want to save your buyers money and save yourself some packing time. In 2026, Whatnot's bundling system is a secret weapon for high volume sellers. And today I'm showing you how to master smart bundling, set up the new weekly bundling feature, and manually combine orders like a pro. So, bundling starts even before you go live. So, go to your Seller Hub and check your shipping profiles. By default, Whatnot uses smart bundling to add up the weights of every item a buyer wins. To make it work perfectly, ensure your incremental weights are accurate. For example, if you sell comics, the first one might be 7 ounces, but the next ones only add 2 of weight. Setting this up correctly prevents your buyers from being overcharged. And then new for this year is weekly bundling. This allows buyers to shop with you all week across multiple shows and the marketplace, and have everything shipped in one big box on Monday. And to turn this on, you go to Seller Hub, Shipments, and toggle weekly bundling to on. Your buyers will also need to opt in via their wallet or settings, making you their go-to one-stop shop for the week. Also, sometimes the AI doesn't get it quite right. To manually bundle orders, go to whatnot.com and then under Shipments, filter by Needs label. Select the orders from the same buyer and click Bundle Selected Shipments. Also, warning, you can only do this before you generate a label. If a bundle is too heavy for one box, you can also unbundle it here to split it into 2 separate shipments with 2 different labels. And once everything looks good, you'll hit bulk generate labels. Whatnot system will automatically alert the buyer that their items have been combined. And this is how you build the perfect bundle. If this shipping hack helped you clear your inventory today, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more Whatnot seller tutorials.